Hey guys, it's me again. I'm over at 6532 East Harrington in Nampa today, having an open house here until 3 o'clock. Come visit me. This beautiful 2750 plus square foot home features 5 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, nice big yard, nice big patio, custom fire pit, storage shed. Look at this kitchen. Isn't it beautiful? Nice cabinets, hard surfaces, beautiful, beautiful laminate flooring. Downstairs, you've got a bedroom and what could either be, a bedroom or an office. Currently being used as an office. Laundry rooms down here, the oversized 3-car garage, and a half bath are down here. This home has all kinds of custom touches. We'll maybe take you upstairs in just a minute, but come visit me. 6532 East Harrington in Nampa, off of Birch Lane near the Idaho Center, close to everything, priced to sell and ready to go. So check out that custom wall. Isn't it cool? We will maybe talk to you guys in a bit. Come see me.